This might be one of the most important videos you have ever seen, because what you see behind me will tell you exactly what is going to happen for cryptos that you hold, like Jasmy, like Dogecoin, AOS, XRP, XLM, ICP, whatever coins you guys hold. This is what you need to understand. So in today's short video, we're going to break this down, because if you saw my video earlier, I told you this was going to be made later today. Well, now is the time. So all I ask guys, is that you drop a like. I would truly appreciate that. If we can get this over 300 likes, that would be absolutely amazing. And subscribe if you're not subscribed to the channel yet. We make crypto and stock content every single day. If you guys want more information, of course, you can join the links out down below. So let's start with the stochastic right here. This, again, guys, is a weekly time frame, and this is Bitcoin, okay? Now, it isn't the best because we're under the 21 EMA on a weekly time frame, and we've talked about this. But a positive is we're making our way back up, and we'll talk about that in a second. Let's talk about the stochastic right now, because we are at a very low point. And last time the stochastic on a weekly time frame was at a very low point like this was back in September of 2023. Okay, and also I will note that right here is where we were. We also went under the 21 EMA, this thick white line, for about a month to a month and a half. Okay, same exact setup, guys. Stochastic low point about a year ago, almost a year ago. Okay, at that point, Bitcoin was trading at $25,000. You could see from this point over here, Bitcoin decided to rally. Okay, we got back above the 21 EMA, which is the most important thing that we do as soon as possible. Seems like we're testing it this week. Weekly candle closes today, got above it, and then it just went on a massive rally. It's interesting when you think about the event that happened yesterday with Trump. Trump is also speaking at a Bitcoin conference later this month in July. I've broken down how I think XRP was a huge fake out at 38 cents. And if you bought at 38 cents, you are a freaking legend, because that was the absolute floor for XRP. And notified Patreon members at 42 and 44 cents, my thoughts on it. And now it's above 52 cents. Okay, so you can start to understand the events that happen in the world, the news that they put out. It has a lot to do with what you see right here for Bitcoin. And it's going to have a lot to do with what happens with Bitcoin in its future. So now that we understand stochastic, let's talk about RSI. And again, I'm not going to make this video long. I'm just going to say it right here, guys. This is also bullish. Before I get into the RSI, that we had a massive green candle after dipping below the 21 EMA on a weekly time frame. Like, I feel very good about Bitcoin. I feel very good about these altcoins. I think Bitcoin will move much higher very soon. The RSI also was at a very oversold level. You can see same area, guys. The RSI hit the same exact spot as it did in September of 2023 when Bitcoin was at 25,000, and then Bitcoin ran all the way to 70, I don't know, 5,000 or something like that. Well, the RSI is at the same spot today. So you tell me down below in the comments, what do you think is going to happen next? Because I think this is just a massive fake out. And I think if you understand the news and the charts and where Bitcoin is going and where crypto is actually going, you would get very, very bullish right now. Of course, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just my own opinion, guys. But I wanted to paint this picture for you so you start to understand all this stuff. And the last thing I want to show you why I'm feeling very bullish about Bitcoin and altcoins right now is because we did not break the 382 level. Okay, we actually closed 2 weekly candles above it, and we're obviously going to close green this week because the week closes in a couple hours. Next step, guys, get above the 21 EMA, break this yellow trend line, and it's off to the race for Bitcoin. Drop a like if you learned something new today. Leave a comment, subscribe. Join the Discord if you want. Community is on fire. We're talking about everything you need to know. It's about $7 a month, 350 members. We'll see you on the next one.